Why choose SocialRobot? Easily create new projects with one click. Quickly import social bookmarking sites in as simple as 2 clicks. Do the steps one by one if you'd like. Easily drip feed your campaigns for natural like link building. One-click automatic profile generator. 1. Register. 2. Confirm and 3. Post in one click automatically. Automatic updates. Software updates are pushed out frequently. Bugs are fixed fast. Customers' ideas and requests are heard and often integrated. But most importantly, the update happens automatically on SocialRobot startup. Multiple CMS support. SocialRobot currently supports the following platforms: Pligg, PHPDug, Scuttle, ScuttlePlus, GetBoo, and Hotaru. New platforms are being constantly added. Local database storage. SocialRobot uses local database. That means everything that happens when you add sites to a project or create an article in SocialRobot is stored in the database and stays there until you delete it. Multi-threaded. Up to 200 threads can be used for every imaginable action equals blazing fast action. For those of you that don't know what threads are, simply said it's like having 200 browsers open doing all the work simultaneously in the background. Spinning. Spinner Writer, Spinner Chief, WordEye and the Best Spinner are supported in SocialRobot. That means all the content rewriting is like a walk in the park, easy and simple. Nested spinning is also supported. Proxies support. Anonymous and private HTTP proxies can be used with SocialRobot. It comes with a handy proxy handling interface that includes checking if proxies are alive, measuring response time, etc. When using proxies, they're always being rotated to prevent unwanted bans. CAPTCHA support. We have built-in CAPTCHA solving engine that will solve the simplest CAPTCHA types. DFP CAPTCHA, DCAPTCHA, Image Typers, GSA CAPTCHA Breaker and CAPTCHA Sniper are also supported. You can solve CAPTCHA manually by entering text from images or answering questions. Powerful scheduler. Jobs, consisting of tasks registration, email confirmation, posting, link verification are added through a simple wizard. Each task can run once date time specified by user or repeat hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. Number of sites can be specified for each task. Tasks can be changed with delay.export links. SocialRobot can export both only posted or also already verified links. It can export them in a simple TXT file or in a much more in-depth Excel format that includes sites platform, PR, do follow status, etc. Ideal for those that provide social bookmarking services or anyone else that just wants a pretty report. SocialBase. SocialBase is a huge database of working social bookmarking sites that is constantly being refreshed and monitored. There are literally hundreds of working sites available in SocialBase. Available in auto.links indexing. SocialRobot comes with a built-in pinger, so your link building efforts won't go unnoticed. We have also integrated with indexification, Linklicious and Link Pipeline, which will do wonders to your links. Live Links Checker. Posted articles can easily be checked for link presence. You can also easily export only live links. Sites filters. You can easily filter individual project and social-based sites to target exactly the ones you want. Some of the filters include do follow filter, PageRank filter, CAPTCHA filter, platform filter, .edu and .gov filter. Logging facility. Sometimes everything doesn't go according to the plan. There can be lots of reasons for failure, and with SocialRobot you'll always know what's wrong. Every action and result can be logged and reviewed at a later time. Blacklists. We all know that sites in a bad neighborhood can have a negative impact on your rankings. That's why SocialRobot allows you to add bad sites to a blacklist. This way you can exclude them from your link build.